हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माइलस्टोन टॉक्स। आज हम फिर एक नई कहानी के साथ आए हैं। वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले बेल आइकन पे जाके उसे सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। The safety, honor, and welfare of your country come first, always and every time. The honor, welfare, and comfort of the men you command come next, and your own ease, comfort, and safety come last. Always remember that. ये शब्द एक ऐसे इंसान के हैं जिसके नाम पर आज इस आज़ाद भारत को गर्व है। विक्रम बत्रा को 1997 में 13वीं बटालियन जम्मू और कश्मीर राइफल्स के लेफ्टिनेंट के रूप में भारतीय सेना में कमीशन किया गया था। बाद में उन्हें युद्ध के मैदान में ही कैप्टन का पद से पदोन्नत किया गया था। तो चलिए आज सुनते हैं उनकी कहानी, विक्रम बत्रा, the war hero turned legend. Batra was born on September 1974 in a small town in Palampur, Himachal Pradesh. He was the third child of Girdhari Lal Batra, a government school principal, and Kamal Kanta Batra, a school teacher. He was the elder brother of his twin Vishal and had two sisters, Seema and Nutan. He got his primary education from his mother, who herself was a teacher. He then attended the DAV public school in Palampur, where he studied up to the middle standard. पढ़ाई में ब्रिलियंट होने के अलावा बत्रा एक अच्छे स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन भी थे और दिल्ली में यूथ पार्लियामेंट्री कॉम्पिटिशन्स के दौरान राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर अपने स्कूल का प्रतिनिधित्व करते थे। उन्होंने कई खेलों में अच्छा प्रदर्शन किया और टेबल टेनिस और कराटे जैसे अन्य खेलों में भी पार्टिसिपेट किया। हालांकि टेबल टेनिस में उनका सबसे लाजवाब प्रदर्शन था, क्योंकि सन 1990 में उन्होंने अपने जुड़वा भाई विशाल के साथ ऑल इंडिया नेशनल्स में टेबल टेनिस में अपने स्कूल को लीड किया। वो कराटे में भी ग्रीन बेल्ट होल्डर थे। Completing his class 12 board examinations in 1992, from Central School, he attended the DAV College, Chandigarh, in BSc Medical Sciences. At college, he joined the Air Wing of the National Cadet Corps, that is the NCC, while he was in the first year. During the interstate NCC camp, he was adjudged the best NCC Air Wing cadet in Punjab Directorate in the Northern Zone. He was then selected and underwent a 40-day paratrooping training with his NCC Air Wing unit in Pinjore Airfield and Flying Club, about 30 kilometers away from Chandigarh. During the next 2 years in DAV, he remained a cadet of the Army wing of NCC. In addition, he was the president of the Youth Service Club of his college. He afterwards qualified for the C certificate in the NCC and attended the rank of senior under officer in the NCC unit. Subsequently, in 1994, he was selected and took part in the Republic Day parade as a cadet. And when he came back home, he told his parents that he wanted to join the army. His maternal grandfather was also a soldier in the Indian Army, and in 1995, while still in college, he was selected for the Merchant Navy at a shipping company headquartered in Hong Kong. But ultimately, he changed his mind, telling his mother that money is not everything in life, and that he has to do something bigger in life, something great, something extraordinary, which may bring fame to his country. That same year, he completed his bachelor's degree, graduating from the DAV College in Chandigarh. Following completion of his bachelor's degree in 1995, he enrolled at the Punjab University in Chandigarh, where he took admission in the MA for English course, so that he could prepare for the Combined Defence Services, that is the CDS examinations. He attended evening classes at the university and worked part-time in his morning as a branch manager of a travelling agency in Chandigarh. He didn't want to be a burden to his father. In 1996, he passed the CDS examinations and subsequently received a call for interview and was selected. He was among the top 5 candidates and the top 35 in the order of merit. After completing a year towards the degree of MA in English, he left the university to join the Indian Military Academy. Batra joined the Indian Military Academy at Dehradun in June 1996 in the Manekshaw Battalion. After completing his 19-month-long training course, he passed out of the IMA on 6 December and was commissioned as a lieutenant in the Indian Army. He was commissioned into the 13th Battalion of the Jammu and Kashmir Rifles. After commissioning, he was sent to Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh for regiment training. अब आते हैं उनके सबसे बड़े अकम्पलिशमेंट की ओर, द कारगिल वॉर। विक्रम बत्रा की साहस और वीरता को चंद आंसुओं के साथ याद किया जाता है। बत्रा ने 1997 में 13वीं बटालियन जम्मू और कश्मीर राइफल्स के लेफ्टिनेंट के रूप में भारतीय सेना में कमीशन किया गया था। बाद में उन्हें युद्ध के मैदान में ही कैप्टन के पद से पदोन्नत किया गया था। कारगिल युद्ध के दौरान 19 जून 1999 में कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा के नेतृत्व में भारतीय सेना ने पॉइंट 5140 पर कब्जा किया था। After this successful operation, Captain Batra volunteered himself to recapture point 4875, which is still touted as one of the toughest operations in mountain warfare in the Indian history. Captain Vikram Batra, always leading from the front and fully aware of the great dangers of his mission, displayed unparalleled courage and determination in eliminating a Pakistani position at Ledge because he was aware of the importance of his task. His daring assault enabled the completion of the capture of point 4875, and this broke the will of the enemy. His courage and action were well beyond the call of duty, and he continued to take risks, ultimately making a supreme sacrifice in the finest traditions of the Indian Army. अपनी साथी की जान बचाने के लिए विक्रम बत्रा वीर गति को प्राप्त हो गए, पर उनका नाम अमर हो गया। Vikram Batra was awarded the Param Veer Chakra, that is the India's highest military honor, on 15th August 1999 at the 52nd anniversary of India's independence. विक्रम बत्रा की मंगेतर डिम्पल चीमा ने उनके इंतज़ार में कभी शादी नहीं की और हाल ही में उनकी इस प्रेम कहानी को हिंदी सिनेमा के एक प्रोडक्शन हाउस ने बड़े पर्दे पर दर्शाया है। There are many people in the nation who give up their life to protect the country. They do not think about their own lives and they think about the nation first. We sit comfortably in our homes while they are fighting at the border. They risk their entire life so that we can sit without fear. विक्रम बत्रा का कर्ज ये देश कभी नहीं चुका पाएगा, पर उनकी कहानी हजारों नौजवानों को आर्मी ज्वाइन करने के लिए हमेशा प्रेरित करती रहेगी। कमेंट सेक्शन में जाके बताइए कि आपको आज की हमारी कहानी कैसी लगी और आप अगली बार क्या सुनना चाहते हैं। बेल आइकन पे जाके वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और हाँ, डू लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर। विशिंग यू ऑल अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी 75th इंडिपेंडेंस डे। मिलते हैं फिर एक नई कहानी के साथ अगली बार। जय हिंद।